Hi everyone, it's Saturday afternoon, and once again, me and Atish are back with another episode. Okay, and in this episode, it's going to be quite interesting for all of you because in this episode, we're going to discuss about the books, like what are the books important for you and how it can influence in your life. Okay, so as I know personally about Atisha, so he's much curious about the books and always used to read different books. Even in his LinkedIn post as well, he used to post every week about new books and just give some kind of takeaways. So this podcast is all about this, and so we're going to ask one by one question from Atisha, like how what are the books which he going to recommend to everyone, which can influence the other's life, and even the books which has changed his life even as well. Okay, so hi Atisha, how are you?
Hi, buddy. Hi, I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm going good, Atisha. So this is all about this podcast is all about like about the books. Okay, so I just want to ask you. First question is all about like when you started your the habit of reading book. When you get to know कि हाँ चलो यार books पढ़ना चाहिए, या when you thought to read books. Can I know
So,
about that? Yeah.
formally, absolutely, bro. So, formally, I started reading when I was in college. More specifically when I was in second year of my college. जब से I started reading books, a book reading habit started to form. उससे पहले I have read some books, but that was
And
not more
why?
of a habit.
The reason is why, Atisha.
So I
Reason is why.
remember I started reading books because I read somewhere books पढ़ने से ना नींद अच्छी आती है रात में. So that was a primary reason. So when you're in
That's
college,
right.
we used to binge watch. I
Mhm.
started reading books because I have developed some sleep insomnia, and to overcome it, I started reading books. When I before going to bed, half an hour, 40 minutes, so it can help me induce sleep. So that was the primary motivation behind reading books, and from that onwards, a habit started to inculcate. I remember, after 1 or 2 months, it became a habit. I have to read a book if I need to go to bed. I have to read a book the moment I hit my bed.
Okay, that's cool. So other is thing is all about like so can you recommend like what are the some important books that you read and which has really impacted in your life? So we just need a takeaways like for all the viewers who just watching this podcast. For them it's going to be helpful because there's a lot of new beginners. Because to be very honest, if I talk about myself, so reading book is always be a challenging when you start your days. Okay, so now I am also get pro, but when I started reading book at that time, it was the story as you told me कि नींद अच्छी आती है. Okay, so when I started reading books, so after reading only 2 pages, I got like, oh my god, I got a bad sleep now. So this was the thing. So I mean, conclusion of that is all about like I just want from your side, like what are the major books you have read which you think like can influence anyone's life? Yeah.
Absolutely, bro. So, there are many books which have influenced my life, in the last decade. But if I have to mention few books, I have shortlisted few books which have really, broadened my horizon and really shifted my mindset. So, allow me to share my screen and quickly walk you guys through the books which has really impacted my life in last few years. Okay, so if I talk about books, the books which really has impacted my life. So the first book which I really want to recommend to everyone is The Psychology of Money, written by Morgan Housel. So this book is not about investment. This book is not about stock market and all. The book simply talks about how we perceive money in our day-to-day life, how we spend money was formed, what was the need of formation of money in ancient times. So this books talk about all the psychology of money, how we spend, what we spend on, and what drives that spending habit. So I really recommend this book to be to be in your reading list, because when we are young, when we have in our 20s, we spend money mindlessly. So this book will help bring some discipline to your spending habits, and maybe make you think of putting a structure when it comes to money expenditure. So that is my first recommendation, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Now, talking about my second book, which has impacted me. So the second book is Atomic Habits. It's a book which was written by James Clear, a very good book if someone wants to learn how to break old habits and develop new habits. It was a very great book. I remember I read this book when I was in, I believe, second year of my college, 7, 8 years back. And at that time, I also, like many teenagers, used to wake up late, uh, get to bed late, was not exercising enough. So this book really helped me develop that discipline in my life, and has really brought up many great results, you know, many tangible results. So I really recommend this book to all, Atomic Habits by James Clear. The third book which I want to recommend is Ikigai, The Japanese Secret to a Long and Happy Life. This book is written by two gentlemen, Hector and Francis. So this book is about people living in an island in Japan who holds the highest record for longevity and leading a happy and fulfilling life. So these two gentlemen go to that island in Japan and understand what makes them so successful, what makes them so happy in their life. So this book is all about them. Another book which I really want to recommend to everyone is Tuesdays with Morrie. So this book is about two people, a man and a young man, and a person who is the teacher of that young man. So in this book, a person, the old man who's teacher of that young man, he's on his deathbed and he has certain days to live. And the guy used to go to that person every Tuesday and they talk about life, and that gentleman share about his life experience. So that is this book is all about. So this book will teach you a lot of life lesson. This book will teach you a lot of things which one should know in life. So amazing book. I highly recommend this book to be read by all. And the final book which I would try to recommend to everyone is Indistractable by Neil Eyal. It's one of the recent book which I have read, an amazing book on how we get distracted so often by social media, by pings and pongs on our system. And this book will really, really help you to take control of your attention and find some more time in your day-to-day life. So these were my 5 book recommendations, and I highly, highly, highly suggest everyone to start reading either one of the books or all of the books to see some tangible changes in your life. Over to you, buddy.
I mean, that's really a nice explanation, Atisha. And these are the takeaways which is going to be helpful for me even as well, because, I haven't read those books which you have mentioned, because for my experience, I think I have read, How to Win and Influence Friends. Okay, this is one of my best list. Okay, because, as I was reading that book, it is very important how you build your network in today's time, because network building is one of the main important time, and how you can make your friends so easy. So for that, I would recommend How to Win and Influence Friends. And second is all about, these days I'm reading the book which is a famous writer, Simon Sinek, about leadership, Start With Why. So I've just completed half of that, and still half of that is still left. So maybe when I complete that, so then I can give some kind of takeaways or what I thought in this book. But it's all about like why we are doing anything. Okay, so this book is all about why the companies these days, okay, in this pandemic, there are a lot of companies who are losing employees, right? As I mean, if I talk about the stats, so 42% Americans are switching their jobs, okay, as per the report. So this is going to be a great resignation era. Okay, and in this time, if I talk about this book, Start With Why, so the companies who are holding their employees, so they are exact company, because these days you are getting a good hike, every employees are getting good hike. Okay, and why why employee want to be stuck with your company. As an owner, you need to think why, what exactly you have done. So it's all about the loyalty, that loyalty or trust. That is one of the main important thing. That's the reason why the employees or why the other customers will stick with you in this pandemic. And those companies who has did this job very well, build a good trust and loyalty with their employees, they sustain, they're definitely going to sustain. But those companies who just those kind of कि हाँ भाई 8 से 12 आज करना है, and they put the pressures and thought कि नहीं employees are like this way, so I'm guarantee you that those companies have just totally get vanished from the market. And I've seen a lot of companies in the Noida market, because a lot of my friends are working in that. Those startups haven't sustained just because of this great resignation era. So I mean, this is from my side, but still I'm not a pro expert of reading book. But yeah, I'm also trying, and I think this is one of the best thing which can give your mindset as well as the way you think, the totally changed the way of your thinking and the way you want to implementing the things. So that's what I thought, Atisha. And I mean, I also got a lot of energy when you say about those kind of books. So I will also try to read those books. So that's all from my side. Yeah.
Amazing, bro. In fact, couple of books which have just come to my mind. If someone is interested in reading about those books also, so one such book is *Sapien* by Yuval Noah Harari. So this guy is an amazing thinker, amazing philosophist, and he's written this amazing book called *Sapiens*. And another book by him is *21 Lessons for the 21st Century*. Amazing book. So another two recommendation to people who want to really understand the history of humankind and what are the lessons which we should learn by living in this century. So two other recommendations for book lovers here.
Yeah, and one more thing, Atisha, I just want you to put that link as well of your LinkedIn takeaways, because I've seen those, and those are amazing. Like whatever you have posted on LinkedIn about the books and their takeaways. So that would be really nice gesture if you just put those links as well in this comment. I mean, in this video description, so that those who are watching this video, they can get more advantage related to those things. So
Absolutely.
I mean, that's all for today, I guess. And I hope like the viewers have enjoyed watching this podcast of this Saturday, and you get a lot of valuable book reading suggestion from Atisha's side. And let's do a beginning of reading books, and you will definitely going to thanks to us. That's what I would say. And any other thing from Atisha from your side, you want to give suggestion or opinion to anyone?
Just one small thing. So guys, I know it's a bit lot to ask to you guys to read books on a daily basis, but it's okay if you take breaks in between. Develop a discipline to read at least 5 pages in a day. It could take you 5 minutes, could take you 15 minutes. Nevertheless, just try to build a habit daily, a discipline daily, and trust me, after a few weeks, it won't feel like a burden, it won't feel like a habit. You will start enjoying the process. So that is the only thing I would like to say to everyone who is new to the journey of book reading, and wish you all the best. Feel free to write in the comment section other book recommendations, so the community or the people who are watching this video can see to it what all other books which they can read. And wish you all the guys very best.
So I mean, that's all. So guys, I mean, I hope you get a lot of relevant feedback from this video, and that's all. So enjoy your Saturday. Me and Atisha will back with another podcast to stay motivated to all of you, because our work is to motivate all of you in terms of learning, in terms of anything. If there is any kind of question, just go on a comment section, ask us, and we're going to create a video on that. So stay motivated and be awesome. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.